Your living room is the heart of your home. It's where style meets comfort. And in 2025, nothing makes a statement quite like modern PVC wall panels. From luxury textures to bold 3D effects, these designs are taking interior decor to the next level. In this video, we'll explore 200 stunning wall panel ideas that can instantly transform your living room into a showpiece. Gone are the days when wall decoration meant just paint or wallpaper. Today, homeowners and designers are turning to PVC wall panels for their versatility, durability, and striking aesthetics. What makes them so popular? They're lightweight, easy to install, cost-effective, and available in endless finishes. Whether you're aiming for a luxury vibe, a minimalist style, or a cozy natural feel, there's a PVC wall panel design waiting for you. Let's discover the hottest looks for 2025. 1. Sculpted 3D textures. Imagine a wall that comes alive with light and shadow. 3D PVC panels with geometric patterns, waves, or layered textures turn plain walls into artistic backdrops. Perfect for TV walls or feature spaces, they add depth and drama. 2. Warm wood-inspired panels. For those who love natural charm, PVC panels in oak, walnut, or teak finishes bring the warmth of wood into your living room, without worrying about termites, polishing, or fading. 3. Marble and stone luxury. If you dream of a high-end living room, marble-finished PVC panels are the trend to watch. They mimic Italian marble, granite, or travertine, creating a sophisticated look at a fraction of the price. 4. High gloss and matte elegance. In 2025, the balance between shine and softness is trending. Glossy panels add a modern, sleek touch, while matte finishes give a calm and understated luxury, both perfect for minimalistic living rooms. 5. Metallic glamour. PVC panels with golden trims, bronze accents, or silver highlights are making waves. These designs add sparkle and luxury, especially when combined with LED strip lighting. 6. Accent walls that speak. Instead of covering every wall, many designers are focusing on feature walls. A bold PVC wall behind your TV unit, sofa, or fireplace instantly draws attention and sets the tone for the entire room. 7. Creative combinations. Mixing styles is big in 2025. Imagine pairing wood grain panels with marble textures, or combining matte black with gold and metallics. These contrasts create a layered, designer look that feels custom-made. 8. Eco and practical appeal. Beyond beauty, PVC panels are easy to clean, water-resistant, and long-lasting. Many are now made from recyclable materials, making them an eco-conscious option for modern homes. Styling secrets for PVC walls. Use hidden lighting to emphasize textures. Pair bold panels with neutral furniture for balance. Go for lighter shades in small rooms to create openness. Add mirrors and glass decor for extra elegance. From sculpted 3D panels to wood, marble, glossy, and metallic finishes, the possibilities with PVC wall panels are endless. With 200 modern designs to choose from in 2025, your living room can truly reflect your personality. Whether you want sleek modern vibes, warm natural charm, or bold statement walls, PVC wall panels aren't just a trend, they're a smart investment in style, comfort, and durability.